So what's going on, guys? This is Kevin Davis. Kevin buys Baltimore houses, KDD Development, and I'm here in West Baltimore looking at a property we just got that we are checking out. This one needs a lot of work. As you can see here, just you can see the backside of the property. It looks like, I'm not certain if this debris is from our property or from another property, as a property was taken out of the middle here. But the great thing about this property that we can see is that it is a full property in terms of the depth of the lot almost. Can't get parking in the back just because it's just too tight in the backside, but the property is in the right area. It's a complete renovation. I mean, this thing needs to be gutted down to the studs, but it's in a great area. It's in a turning area where there are multiple million-dollar developments happening for the neighborhood that are going to increase the values extremely quickly. And we're going to take a look at around the corner. There's actually about 38 properties that are being done, about a $10 million development partnership with the city. To our north, I believe, of here, there is a 87 unit property, multifamily, new build, as well as some single family stuff that's going up. And we also have some additional commercial projects that are happening in the area. So this is, what you want to look for when you look for properties, is figuring out exactly where the money's going to flow at before it gets there, so that your money can raise with it. So we're definitely looking to make certain that we get this property the love it needs, either us or one of our development partners. If you take a look here, I don't know if you can see it, but that's the stadium, literally maybe 15 minutes away. So you have Ravens Stadium, you have Orioles Stadium, you have downtown Baltimore, you have the biopark development that's happening here in, what is that? Can't remember the name of the neighborhood. But this is what you want to look for when you find properties, is properties that are going to be developing neighborhoods that need a lot of love, that you can put some capital into, that's going to increase your return on investment year over time. So we're going to continue to check this property out. Looks like there was recently a demolition notice. They looks like tore down the additional awning here that was opened up with some additional windows. So we're going to check this out, see what we can do, and try and make things happen. Kevin Davis, check me out if you have any deals that you're interested in selling, if you need some help, understanding how to wholesale, how to put together projects, where to invest in Baltimore. We've been in Baltimore for a long time, and we'd love to help you out. Check me out.